Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepster Man. Today we're going to talk about a gas cap. We use this on the Jeepster Commando and Jeep Commando. I have noticed on some of the earlier Jeepster Commandos this does not fit. Don't know exactly why, rhyme or reason it doesn't fit some of the earlier ones, but it fits most of the later ones, and I don't really have any complaints about the Commando as well. It definitely looks just like the original one, and you can see the back of this one. It is vented. Part number on this one is 812-3141. You can find this on our website, thejeepsterman.com. If you've got questions about it, it's sales@thejeepsterman.com. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.